Okay, it says researchers examine whether people stay at home more on the Friday the 13th. The data are the number of cars passing two intersections for consecutive Fridays on Friday the 6th and Friday the 13th for 4 different periods, along with summaries of two possible analyses. Complete parts A through C. All right, and so the question is, should we do a paired t-test or should we do a two-sample t-test? And we're actually going to, it looks like we would have a paired t-test because we have that we're matched on the intersection, and it's just looking on the 6th or on the 13th. And then these are for the different years. So this is going to be a matched pair, which is this paired t-test. So we should do a paired t-test because they are not independent. You're in the same intersection, and it's depending on which day it is. So let's check that answer. Okay, using the test you selected, state your conclusion with alpha equals 0.05. Well, your p-value for the paired t-test is 0.02. And if your p-value is less than your alpha, you reject the null hypothesis. So there is evidence that people to stay home on Friday the 13th because the p-value of appropriate hypothesis test is small. It's a small p-value, especially compared to the alpha level, and so that's why we failed to reject, or we rejected the null hypothesis, which means there is evidence to indicate that people tend to stay home. Are the assumptions and conditions for inference met? I don't really know. You don't really know if you have randomness. I probably would say there's not enough information, but it might be a no. I could miss this one. Oh, I was right. It could be okay. We didn't have any randomness, so I was a little nervous about that. I mean, you know, we just didn't know enough.